Mastering the future perfect continuous tense. Hey there, language learners! In today's video, we're diving deep into a unique and fascinating tense, the future perfect continuous. By the end of this session, you'll know exactly when, why, and how to use this tense, making your English even more impeccable. The future perfect continuous tense describes an ongoing action that will start in the future and continue up to a particular point in the future. It's a blend of future, continuity, and completion. The structure generally goes like this. Subject plus will plus have plus been plus present participle, base verb plus ing. For example, by 5 p.m., I will have been studying for 3 hours. In December, they will have been living in Spain for 2 years. Notice how these actions haven't started yet, but they will in the future, and by a certain future point, they'll have been going on for a specific duration. 1. Duration before something in the future. To show the duration of an action up to a point in the future. Example. 2. By the time we arrive, she will have been waiting for 2 hours. 3. Cause of a future condition. To explain the reason for something in the future. Example. 4. She will be tired because she will have been working all day. These are some time expressions that often accompany this tense. 4. Used to indicate duration. They will have been traveling for 3 weeks by then. By the time, indicating a specific future point. By the time we get there, the party will have been going on for hours. When, before, after. When you see him, he will have been exercising for an hour. There you have it, the future perfect continuous tense. It might sound complex, but with a bit of practice, you'll be using it like a pro. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step, even the challenging ones, is progress. Keep practicing, and as always, happy learning!